Using an Uber Plus card with Apple Pay is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Open the Wallet app. This app is pre-installed on iPhones and can't be deleted. Tap the plus icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be prompted to add a credit or debit card. You can either enter the card details manually or use the camera to capture the card information. Verify your card. Depending on your bank, you might need to go through a verification process. This may involve receiving a code through SMS or email. Open the Uber app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Uber app installed on your device. Enter your destination and request a ride. After confirming your pickup location and destination, proceed to the payment section. You should see an option to select your payment method. Choose Apple Pay. Depending on your device, you may need to use Touch ID, Face ID, or your device's passcode to authenticate the payment.